Shelly and Fraser Price is the greatest athlete to watch. You all know that I love Shelly and I love Team Jamaica. I love the green, black, and gold. But if you know me good enough, you know that I am a very objective blogger. I'm gonna speak my mind and cause it what it will. Shelly and Sharika are best friends. It's obvious. And they're best friends in such a way that it come across Elaine. Even the last Olympic they had, that they couldn't even celebrate when she won. And they are so tight that it affects Elaine and the backstretch. Shelly pull out of the 100 final. Sharika pull out of the 200. And now they both pull out from the relay. I am not sure what is happening in the camp, so I can't speak to it. But it is clearly that Shelly and Sharika are sabotaging the Olympics. I'm not sure what happened. I'm not sure what is happening in there. But it is obvious. What I want to find out though, I understand persons support their friends and Sean Storm and others support Cartel and people supporting each other. I don't have anybody. I stand alone. My children won't support me and my husband sure as hell not. I stand alone. But I admire persons who can rally with each other. So Sharika and Shelly are rallying. But Shelly and career has come to an end. So I am not sure about her sponsorship and all of that, because it's when Bolt finished running, now Bolt is making the most money. And Shelly already chop out her career that Huey named part of their campus after her. She has her masters and she has her Digicel and her Grace. She has her sponsorship lineup. When Sharika is sabotaging her career to appease with Shelly, what does the future hold? Is Sharika's career finished as well? Does she has another Olympics under her belt? What about her sponsorship? What about her career path? Is it that she's gonna ride on Shelly Ann's back as she head into the future? How old is Sharika? You want to tell me that the problem could not resolve more amicably so that the team has to suffer? The coaches are destroying the camp, you know. And I said it and I will say it again. I am looking forward for the day when Jamaica will get an independent coach to take the athletes to the Olympics and get rid of those coaches who don't have Jamaica at heart and only care about their camp and MP this and CP that. And I am looking forward to that, because clearly we don't know how to separate our emotions from the business. We are known to be a toxic, we are so toxic in everything that we do that the Olympic camp is feeling it. And they have, I tell you now, when the Olympics done, Merlin Atty didn't even return home. Vernica Campbell career done. When each time a top athlete is at the end of the rope, the breakaway is so bad that some of them have to go a different part of the world. I remember I think it was PJ or Bruce Golden, one of them, have to got up out of his seat and went and go and escort Vernica Campbell too. The way how the toxic and the conflict was bad. Why is it we live so bad? Why is it we live so bad? Jesus, God.